So with these types of questions, I always take a standard approach, which is to write this as powers of 3. And you see that term here, and then we already have that at 2. I'll also convert that to power of 2, and then combine them and simplify and go from there. You can always find easier methods afterwards, but in the exam you need something very certain. And so that's why I generally stick with what I know from experience works. And that's what I will do here. So that's 2 to the power 2x, and I'll leave that here. This becomes 3 to the power 2x minus 1, and then I'll move to the other side and then do the same thing with that term. And I've seen enough of these. So here I'm going to factor 3 to the power 2x minus 3, because that's the smaller term, and you would get 3 squared plus 1. Please check this factorization, because if you remultiply, you'll get that. Here I'm going to factor 2 to the power 2x minus 2. You'll get 2 squared plus 1. So that's 5, and that's 10. That knocks out, and I get 3 to the power of 2x minus 3. And then this would be divided by 2, which becomes 2 to the power of 2x minus 3. So if I summarize this, all this manipulation leads you here. Now this is a base 3, that's a base 2. For them to be equal to each other, the only way that will happen is when 2x minus 3 is 0. And that means, because 3 to the 0 is 1, and that's also equal to 2 to the 0. And that means x is 3 over 2. Answer choice A. So to be honest, I didn't see that right here, that's where this will lead to. And that's why, because it's kind of hidden with this complicated expression. But maybe some students can see that without doing that additional work. But I had to kind of go through this to eventually kind of see this part. That's when it became clear. So to summarize, the answer is A.